Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about one more built-in functionality of list, that is count. So let us learn about it. Count function in Python is used to count the number of occurrences of a particular element in the list. So what does it mean? It means that count method is going to count that how many number of times a particular element is appearing in the list. Or we can say that how many number of times a particular element is repeating itself inside the list. So what is the syntax for the same? List1 dot count of element. List1 is my variable name. That means the list in which I am going to look for a particular element. Count method, and inside the count method I am passing element as an argument. The element whose occurrences I am going to count. For example, list1 is equal to this. So I have a list of these many elements. Now I am going to check for element 8, that how many number of times it is appearing inside the list. So I have written list1 dot count of 8 and I will get the result as 2, that it is appearing 2 number of times in my list. So this is how count method works. Now I'm going to show you this practically as well. So let's take one list. List 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3. And we can take some more elements like 8 and this. Now I'm going to check for the element 2. So I'll be writing L1 dot count of 2. I'm going to check the occurrences for element 2. So I'm getting the result as 4. So if we check manually 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 number of times my element 2 is appearing in the list. So count method is used to check the occurrences of a given element. Now, the question comes that if I do not pass any argument inside my count method, then what will happen? I will get an error after that. So passing an argument in the form of an element is mandatory in count method. So this is how count method works. So I hope the concept is clear to you. One more variation we can check over here, like the element which is not at all a part of my list. If I am going to check the occurrences for that particular element, then I will get the result as 0. And which is indicating that the element is not at all present in the list. Because if the element is present at least once, then I'll be getting the output as 1. So this is again a method of checking whether the element is there inside the list or not. This also we can check with the help of this. And if the element is present inside my list, then how many number of times it is appearing in the list. And I'll get the count of those many occurrences as an output. So keep watching, keep practicing. I will come with more tutorials in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.